Is that pizza? Nope. Cauliflower steaks.
Y'all didn't even make that. That's good.
This recipe is so good and super easy to make. Take 1 head of cauliflower and cut it into steaks. Do not cut the stem. Cut around the stems. Don't cut it down the middle. Then you want to add some virgin olive oil, rub it into the steaks, and then you want to season it. I used Goya here, which has a lot of different seasonings in it, and I used some Himalayan sea salt. Preheat the oven to about 410 degrees and put those cauliflower steaks in there for about 25 minutes. Take them out and cover them with pasta sauce. I spread on top of that some Violife mozzarella cheese, and then I found some breakfast sausage that I had left over in my refrigerator, so I broke that up on top. Place the steaks back in the oven until the cheese melts, and you are ready to eat. It is that simple. God, we thank you for this food. It is greatly appreciated. Amen. That's good. It tastes like, it tastes almost like, I like that BioLife cheese too. Tastes almost like a pizza without the crust. That pasta sauce and that cheese and those little specks of sausage. Man, that was easy to make too. I highly recommend this. And I'll give you the person's handle in my description because I did not create this. But I'm so glad I made it. Wow.